Hello, good morning, afternoon or evening. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to change the side lights on a Nissan Elgrand. I haven't seen many of these videos around, so I'm just going to get straight into it. When you come into the engine bay, you just want to be careful of the fuel line, but it's this connector here, the one with the two cables, if it focuses. So this, it simply just turns towards you. Obviously I've got tight space. It turns towards you and pulls out. It's quite a bit of tight space, so I've just got to be careful with extra connectors and stuff. And it should have just pulled out, but it's just a bit fiddly. So 1 second. So sorry, I've just found out how to do it. So I've turned the lights off so the bulb doesn't burn me, but what you want to do, you want to put slight downward pressure and it should just squeeze out. Obviously you don't want to damage any of the connectors and bulbs. So this will just pop out. It's hard to do with one hand. So yeah, this should just click out, and it's your typical 501 wedge type bulbs, or along the lines. I'm using 5W. And simply take out a new bulb, place the new one in, and then this is the reversal of what you did. So if I can just get this to zoom. Slight downward pressure and let the bulb find its way to its housing. So now we've got it in. I know it's a bit difficult to see, but I haven't got enough space to work with here. Yeah, so I mean it's a bit fiddly, especially in such a compact area. I'll try to get So yeah, what I do in this situation, I put the light back on so I can see when it's actually entered the housing, and if there's enough space for you to see, the bulb, it twists back the opposite way, and there's ever so slight click. That's the new bulb. With this one, same again, but it will twist. Yeah, it will twist that way. Then you can pull it out, but they haven't given very good spacing with these. So again, I'll just have to work around. So again, same thing with these. Pull the bulb out. discard that. Press the old bulb in. So new bulb. New bulb. And obviously I can't do this with one hand, but you have to just move it around, figure out which alignment it has to go, so I'll just do that. So I've got that back in like the main track, and this is what I mean by putting the lights on, so you can see where the light's coming from. If I just turn off the flash, where is it? So you can see where it's trying to find its way through, and once it does, so that took a bit longer, but once it finds the alignment, flash back on. That, obviously that's the connector, that should turn back towards you, and then there you go. Now it's properly aligned. That should twist back towards you. Soft clicked alignment. Now that's locked in place, and both are working. So sorry, I know this video was a bit obviously recording one hand and trying to work in tight spaces. Hope it helped, and thank you for watching.